Here's the uncomfortable truth. A woman doesn't always lose interest because you suddenly became less attractive. Sometimes interest fades because she becomes completely certain that you'll always be there. And once that certainty settles in, the entire emotional dynamic can change. Because attraction isn't simply about how much attention you give someone. It can also involve uncertainty, scarcity, emotional investment, and the perceived possibility of losing something valuable. Machiavelli understood a principle centuries ago that still appears in human behavior today. People tend to place greater value on things they believe they could lose. And once you understand that principle, you begin to see why some men constantly receive attention, while others are constantly pursuing it. It isn't necessarily because one man has more money. It isn't always because he looks better. And it certainly isn't because he possesses some secret formula. Sometimes, he simply understands something many men never learn. Access becomes meaningful when it isn't treated as something automatic. Think about a door. If a door is permanently open, you eventually stop noticing it. You walk through without thinking twice. But if that same door can close, your attention changes. You notice when it's open, you notice when it's closed, and most importantly, you become aware of whether you still have access. That is the psychological mechanism we're going to explore today. Not manipulation, not mind games, not trying to control another human being. Instead, we're examining the emotional patterns, blind spots, and psychological tendencies that can influence attraction, and how your own behavior can either strengthen or weaken your position within that dynamic. Because most men make the same mistake. They assume attraction is created by giving more messages, more attention, more explanations, more reassurance, more availability. But eventually there is a point where more doesn't create attraction anymore. It creates certainty. And certainty can completely transform the emotional dynamic. Machiavelli wasn't writing for men desperate to make everyone like them. He wrote about power, incentives, human nature, and what people often do when appearances disappear and self-interest becomes visible. And if he were alive today, he probably wouldn't tell you to become cold or cruel. He would tell you to understand the dynamic you're already participating in. Because every relationship contains some form of psychological negotiation. Who invests first? Who becomes more emotionally dependent? Who constantly pursues? Who pulls back? Who fears losing the relationship? And who quietly knows, I'll be okay either way? That's where emotional leverage begins. Today, we're going through 11 psychological vulnerabilities that can repeatedly appear within attraction, 11 blind spots that can influence investment, attachment, attention, and the tendency to take another person for granted. And here's where most men misunderstand the subject. The moment they hear the word vulnerability, they think manipulation. That's not the purpose. The goal isn't to exploit someone's weakness. The goal is to understand the mechanism so you stop damaging your own position through neediness, excessive pursuit, and constant attempts to gain approval. Because while one man is desperately trying to convince a woman to choose him, another man refuses to abandon himself simply to keep someone around. That's an entirely different psychology. And vulnerability number 11 is especially important. Because a man can understand the first 10 principles and still destroy the entire dynamic if he misses the final lesson. There's another reason you should stay until the end. One of these psychological patterns can dramatically change how someone responds when your behavior consistently changes over time. Not because you've learned how to control her, but because you finally stopped reinforcing the pattern that made you predictable. And that brings us to the uncomfortable truth most men don't want to hear. You don't necessarily lose a woman's interest because you don't have enough money. You don't necessarily lose her because you're not charming enough. And you don't always lose her because another man is better. Sometimes attraction weakens because you've become completely predictable. You're always available. You answer immediately. You explain everything. You tolerate everything. You keep proving your interest long after your interest is already obvious. Eventually, you stop feeling like a possibility. You become a certainty. And psychologically, those are two very different experiences. Think about your phone. If it constantly buzzes throughout the day, eventually you stop reacting to every notification.